In this video, I will show you how to fix if your Hamster Kombat invite friends link is not working. So let's jump straight into it. So what we're going to do is go ahead and open up Telegram, and what we're going to do is just go ahead and open up Hamster Kombat. So I'm just going to jump into the Hamster Kombat app now. So once you've gone ahead and jumped into Hamster Kombat, the first thing you're going to want to do is come down to the toolbar at the bottom and press onto friends in the middle of the toolbar. So it's going to take you to the invite friends screen, and what you're going to want to do is come down to the bottom and you can see the copy button here. So if you go ahead and press this, as you can see it's saying fail to copy text. Now to fix this, there's a couple of things we're going to do, and the first thing you're going to want to do is come and click the three dots in the top right hand corner and just go ahead and reload the page. Once the page has reloaded, what you're going to do is come back into the friends and try again to copy the link to see if that fixes the problem. In my case, this hasn't worked. It says failed to copy text. So what we're actually going to do now is go ahead and completely close down Telegram, and we're just going to go ahead and reload Telegram and jump back into Hamster Kombat. So here we are back in Hamster Kombat. So what we're again going to do is come down to the bottom, press onto friends, and again try to copy the link. As you can see, this time it's come up saying text copied. So if you follow these steps in this specific order, this should actually fix this and enable you to use the invite friends link. But with that being said, if this tutorial did help you out today, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.